Yes, Ms. Katrina.
Ano lang yung legal basis for the use of possible aliases sa mga acknowledgement receipts without delving into the matter? Just the legal basis.
We're not yet there, so I won't discuss that. That's not covered by the COA witnesses. No? So we're not yet there. I beg your patience. I understand the question, but I beg your indulgence and your patience. Baka dun sa tamang witness natin pag-usapan po
So,
yan.
so mabibring up to sooner or later?
Tingnan natin. I'm sure, kasi isa yan sa mga issues di ba? So whether alias ba yun o hindi, yung mga ganung bagay, I'm sure at one point matatakil yan, but I don't want to preempt anything that the prosecution will present in fairness to them, and I also don't want to preempt our own defenses kung sakali man. So ayoko munang itakil kasi dito pa lang tayo sa COA. I think importante and maganda yung natatanong niyo yung mga ganyan actually para maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan na sa ngayon dun pa lamang tayo sa COA findings at this will not be the end of it all. No? Marami pang may mga magtetestigo sa prosecution and even on the defense side.